Hey everyone, it's Sean from Our Bronco Life, and today I'm going to be installing some new side steps by Hooke Road. These are heavy-duty powder-coated black steel side steps that we're going to upgrade our Bronco with, and we can't wait to. And they have a Since 1966 logo on them, hence my shirt as well, Since 1966. So come along while I install these side steps today. Now I got them unboxed and almost unpacked, but I just want to mention that they were packed very, very well and secure, and both individually wrapped and packaged great. Now I'm just making sure I got them on both on the right side, and so this one is the driver's side. You'll see the more flat part mount for the front of the vehicle and the upward facing mount for the rear of the Bronco. Now the first thing I need to do is remove the factory OEM running boards, and I went underneath and checked the mounting brackets, and what's great is in your Bronco toolkit, the 13mm socket is the size you need to remove those running boards. So just like the Bronco itself, it is very, very modular, and Ford has provided a lot of the tools needed to do any kind of modularity or updates. Alright, now I've removed my factory running board, and it's time to install my Hooke Road running board on the driver's side. What I like about this is that it uses the pre-existing bolt points that I already have underneath my Bronco, and it adds an extra point of contact right here. So this is an additional 2 bolts that are going to hook right into here in your pinch molding. So you're going to get that extra points of contact and secure for these, and it'll put it right and snug right up here. So that'll be nice, kind of almost like the factory rock sliders that you've seen on Badlands and other models. While we loved our stock running boards right here, one thing that we didn't like was the exposed pinch molding right here, and so with these new running boards by Hooke Road, it's going to eliminate that being seen, as well as that's going to be another point of contact when you're installing your new side steps from Hooke Road. Got all the hardware ready for each side. You're going to need 4 large bolts with the locking washer and washer, and then 4 of the smaller bolts with the washers, and then the rear bolts as well for the mounting point on the pinch welds. Underneath, you want to make sure you install the top 2 bolts first before you install the pinch weld side mounts. Passenger side has been removed now, and now I'm ready to install the other side step. Once again, I'm going to start with the top 2 bolts on each side, and then I'll work my way to secure the pinch weld bolts right here that you're going to install on the side. Prove it could be done by one person. All right, got them hand tightened. Now let's tighten them up. All right, that's it. We installed our Hooke Road side steps on our new Bronco, and we absolutely love them. They're very heavy duty and high quality material that we use. Also, it only took about an hour to install both of them after removing our stock side steps on our Bronco. So pretty easy install on these for a great upgrade to our Bronco. So thanks for checking out this video from Our Bronco Life.
We are the best choice for changing your Jeep.